everybody. Welcome to this Ask the Expert session. My name is Christopher Miel, and I will be acting as the moderator for this exciting exchange today about unveiling the regulatory drivers of the software medical device market in the US and in the EU. What are the key regulatory differences for software medical device product between the EU and the US?
Let me start with some similarities first, because it's important to always consider that there are similarities while there are, of course, some difference in these two jurisdictions. Both US and the EU follow a risk-based approach. So in terms of classification, a higher risk means a higher classification and requirements, whereas low risk goes the other way around. A difference in terms of classification is related to, of course, the fact that in the US there is one classification system applicable to in vitro diagnostic software as medical devices versus traditional medical devices or general medical devices that are software. In the EU, however, there are two different classification systems depending on whether a system is actually an in vitro diagnostic software or a general medical device.
What are the typical challenges for actually an innovative software-based device to access the US market through a 510K route?
With an innovative or disruptive software that wants to follow the 510K route is going to be making sure that you will meet the definition of a 510K, that your predicate, that you have the same intended use and same fundamental technology as the predicate device.
Are there any medtech innovation programs proposed by health authorities that can be utilized to facilitate market entry in the US and in Europe?
I think, so when we talk about early interactions and how we can facilitate getting a particular product on the market, probably the most utilized and most popular and something that's definitely recommended is the Q submission program.
There hasn't been a lot of movement in an EU-wide stage, I would say, but there are still some local initiatives that you can find. So, for example, in France, there is Guichet Innovation, that is a program really offered by ANSM to support services for the development of innovative health products.